This drip is from a patched pinhole leak in our water pipe. My first attempt was to use copper pipe epoxy putty, but the leak didn't stop, and I kept adding putty. So I thought about replacing the short section, but after turning the water off and draining the pipes, water was still dripping. It was trapped in the pipe, so I couldn't get the pipe hot enough for solder. I hadn't turned off the water when using the epoxy, so that may have been why it didn't stick, or something else. So I cut the pipe at the hole, but the space was restricted, so I bought a small-sized cutter. After that, I used narrow tube to siphon out the trapped water. It still wasn't draining out. Next, I cleaned the pipes, coated them with solder flux, added a copper coupling to join them, and used a torch to solder the coupling that fixed the leak, and it only took about 30 minutes. Plus several hours thinking about how to fix it, searching for different options, getting all the tools together, and a couple trips to the hardware store.